quick. Your healer. Yes, mate.
5, 4, 3,
Who the fuck on?
2, 1.
Oh yeah, he was on his board.
We're doing something interesting, by the way, Bangers. Just a little thing. I think
Lost
you
an
saw.
area,
Yeah.
mate, of course.
Well, you're a sick player, mate.
Pick it.
Last year. Top one engineer.
Is it sec?
Same.
Guessing not.
Completely stopped.
No, I didn't.
Operator in 5. No damage on this engineer, boys. Only operator. No damage on the engineer. I would love to heal, but I'm not gonna do it. So I'm a good player.
Yep. Okay.
Can dot here.
Don't dot mine, just don't do anything. Can dot it now? Drop the repair.
Oh my. Oh well.
Drop on the engineer.
We can stop him.
Out in 5.
No damage on this engineer, boys. Operator in 5.
Operator
Go on,
team.
operator.
Magnus, are you gonna do knockback yet?
Press
Yeah,
right.
can do, yeah.
Gonna be closer this time.
Press him. Rebound.
Half my board running.
You can kill the 40% one as well. You don't need to do
I'll
the
be
risky
fine.
shit. Just kill the 30% one.
We need one bomb, I think.
Knock.
Should we
Ammo.
Just kill him.
Okay,
We get
kill
just
that.
one bomb, run in.
7%,
Lock.
kill it.
Max, 20 seconds. Okay.
Okay, move to the middle. Ended this phase very early though, I don't really like it.
Keep me up, please. Go. Knock me, Pemo, sorry.
I gave.
Yeah, good.
Oh
good.
my god,
Yeah,
I
it's
gave
fine,
one.
it's fine, it's fine.
Kill up.
Break the CC, guys.
I get.
Give me AJ.
Drop this, like I'm about to get killed.
Oh, where the fuck is that?
Fuck is this? Oh my god.
Knocking pot up.
Breaking the slag elemental, it's on Slayer. Releasing it. Controlling the other one. Breaking this as well. And releasing it outside. It's on Sunawa, the other one. Sunawa carried in as well. Problem is in 2,
it's on the
1,
engineer.
go.
Don't know if I can grab this fire crawl instantly. Grip and cooldown.
Leave the... Just cleave everything.
Don't boss when you can.
You with these
Multi
guys.
fires out.
Oh, you don't have them.
I don't have them.
These persons, everyone.
That's the bombs.
Hey, wake up!
Cross is dying in soon. In 2. Actually, now in 2, 1. Don't prevent this. Don't kill that security guard if you can.
I need it as well. Leave it up for a sec.
Okay. I'm doing this as soon as the shield is on.
You can have it.
Yeah. Breaking blue. My
I
payload carried
told
in.
it stop, I was dead.
I'm
No, it's
leaving
fine,
it
it's
there
fine.
again. I'm leaving it there again. Look at it. I'm just gonna execute it.
Get this one.
Oh my. Kill slag elemental and fire cores. Primal Amethyst in 2, 1, focus it. Don't die, guys. Use things. Crosses up as well, kited in. Crusher, kited in.
Don't star.
I'm gonna get to low HP again. Breaking
Fire
red.
crawlers.
Get out again. Where are the TC buffs? Go Prominentist, finish it off. Blue is up, guys. It's on Jolly Pants. And
Don't
move
start.
now. Serves draw. Be on blue. Get up to the markers. Prime Elementus in 2, 1. 5 colors incoming.
Please be in the middle of the healing ring.
Deal with these, Chris. Do you wanna?
I'm gonna take out the heals.
Where's the cross? It's on AJ. AJ, bring it in.
You can taunt star. Oh, never mind.
Get
I'll
out.
bring it in. I'll bring it in.
I'm now into it.
Prime Elementus in 2, 1, go. Blue is on B. Fire callers. Focus them.
Arsenal, if you have Volatile Fire.
They're opting blue and kiting it over.
The fire crawlers. Interrupt them as well.
Get over here, guys, to the next Prime Elementus.
You can taunt star.
I was bringing out the
Do you have
movements.
Am, Jolly?
Prime Elemental soon. 2,
Bang
1.
us to move a bit out.
I was
Mine
out.
doesn't have a shield, I'm kited in.
You should be in the middle.
Bring cross in there.
Fire crawlers.
Interrupting it. Okay, cleave everything here.
Fire Crusher.
Go mainly on the
Survive.
slag elemental. Then we can skip one.
Oh, why are you running?
I'm cross, guys. Come on.
You can taunt star if you can. Never mind, actually.
Okay, Prime Elementalist in 2,
Okay.
1, go.
Look this and we won't get fair corner. Just CC the farm.
Might not get it, maybe. You got it, you got it. Yeah, CC the right one. Kill diamond.
Yeah,
Get on star marker now. Everyone get on star marker. You see, it's a different place. Get there. Get the boss in front of us.
Yeah, yeah.
Fires.
Volatile's
Fire
out. Volatile's out.
I don't know.
It's on syrups. Move out. Kill the security guards.
Oh.
Watch out for a slack bomb. Okay.
First one.
So calm the fuck down now.
I'm on this max. Gank.
Don't Potter Pally. He's moving.
Time Potter.
Stagger
Shield
problem. You have
them.
lag elementals when you have time. Always do it, please.
Link on
It's
us
on
now.
me. I'm kiting into
Sacking
Africa.
Pamel. Sacking Pamel. Hold it. Tell me when to move.
After this one. Now move.
Fox it.
Off shield wall.
Move,
Tell me when
move,
to
move,
stop.
move, move, move.
Yeah, I move.
We have Fox up. Just cast when moving. Dice, go back.
I stop now,
Tell
yeah.
it, go back and pop it. Yeah, stop it. Yeah.
Yeah. PM agent.
Use your link, Chris.
One slots.
Get into the healing ring,
Oh,
guys.
thanks.
And in the healing ring slots if you can, I guess.
It's on Eek. Eek, get it to the corner.
Nope.
I can grip
no,
you
I
back,
don't.
Eek.
Family sack.
Move the boss now.
Oh, no.
Fuck, I'm zoning. Almost died.
Move the boss. Move the boss.
I want more
Back
healing
me,
Stay
first.
here. Stay here.
Back me, Potter.
Dice. you
Barry
can
on his
move.
AJ. Barry
Yeah,
on
I'm
his
out,
AJ.
I'm out already.
Focus tanks a bit more, guys, if you can.
Get in this barrier.
Last turn 10. Save your shit.
One slot.
Dice. You Fox and we move. Fox and move.
Devo curse.
Don't lose shit. Health stones if you need.
Rest me, rest me, rest me.
V
Rest me.
scrub. V scrub.
Yeah, done.
Buff me up, buff me up.
Ryan VG.
La, last.
I'm Jolly. I'm Jolly.
Calling below.
One stack me Potter.
You can stay here, you don't need to move. Second potions, guys. Check your HP. If you need something, pop. And
Try to soon have a crush it.
Top. I mean, when to move.
alright, move now. Move. Just roar.
Fox, if you have it. Don't.
Just watch out for them ruptures, please.
Don't get into ruptures.
Don't.
Don't,
Keep
Demo. Do you have
don't
a
step
second?
on the fixates.
We need to move
Personals.
further.
Move.
Personals.
Don't move.
Move a bit more. Okay, that's fine, that's fine. Chill
Keep
here.
tanks up. Keep tanks up.
Now, use everything you have. You don't need to move. Just kill boss.
Potter, you have a rest. Potter, you have a rest. Come on. Potter!
Use everything you have.
Come on.
Everything you have.
Stacking panel. Stacking panel. Come on.
Come on.
Family chain is back.
Please!
I got it.
Just get me a